Hi, this is Tom Ward with VeloCloud. I'm sitting here today with Chris Alberding from Windstream Enterprise to talk to us a little bit about Windstream's utilization of our SD-WAN solution, VeloCloud. Chris, tell me why Windstream Enterprise chose VeloCloud as their SD-WAN technology.
Hey, Tom. Thanks for the time. Great to be here today. So why did we choose VeloCloud as our SD-WAN technology? It's pretty straightforward. When we adopted VeloCloud and partnered with them in 2015, VeloCloud was a clear leader in the marketplace from an SD-WAN perspective. It checked a lot of the boxes we were looking for from services from our customers, looking for better enterprise performance, application performance, reliability, flexibility, and overall the ability for our customers to have a partner that could leverage the Windstream strong nationwide network along with the technology that VeloCloud SD-WAN brought to them. I think as I look forward, beyond why we chose, you guys still continue to be a strong leader in that SD-WAN space. VeloCloud's name has remained strong throughout this and continues to be a great partner of ours as we evolve and move forward.
Chris, out of curiosity, why do organizations choose Windstream Enterprise for SD-WAN powered by VeloCloud?
Yeah, thanks, Tom. I think there's a lot of reasons why customers choose Windstream and more importantly powered by our VeloCloud SD-WAN solution. I think number one are their customers are challenged with shrinking IT staff, and that creates a need for a fully managed concierge service. So our long tenured experience and organization can help customers fill the void there. I think also that they demand resilient, high capacity, application aware networks. And that is where VeloCloud and your SD-WAN solution has really excelled over the long relationship we've had together. Also, I think customers are looking for a seamless connectivity to increase resiliency and have diverse connections that allow them to scale and remain highly reliable. I'd say one of the things that's really important to a lot of growing customers is the demand for scalability, to be able to scale quickly. Our network tied with the VeloCloud SD-WAN solution gives us the ability to scale very quickly versus a traditional network. Security is a big requirement, and I'm not talking network security as much as I'm talking like PCI security. So the ability to bring the customer into a PCI or environment and meet their security requirements in that space. Another is they're looking for application-aware insight, AI-powered insight engines to not just tell them what's happened with their applications and their network, but to predict what might happen in the future and help implement best practices and create stronger application performance as we move forward. So it's a continual evolution of the customer's experience. And then lastly, I think the big piece that Windstream brings is the plethora of other services that we can connect to this, whether it's access, security, LAN services, Wi-Fi, a number of other capabilities that we can bring into an overall bundle for that customer, giving them an end-to-end experience and one hand to shake in that relationship.
Just curious, why are your organizations and customers deciding to go with Windstream Enterprise SD-WAN solutions powered by VeloCloud?
There's a ton of great benefits that our solutions bring to our customer, but I'll hit on some of the top ones that I believe drive the most value and seem to get the most response from our customers. Number one is highest performance. I mean, customers really rely on performance. It's the number one reason to move to SD-WAN, to ensure that your applications are performing in the methods that you need them, that you've got the critical applications prioritized, and that experience, whether it's the customer experience or their customer's end experience, is optimal. So the performance clearly is number one. I would say number two is reduced downtime. That with traditional networks, there's always the potential for downtime. You can't control somebody, digging up a telephone pole and taking out an internet access, and suddenly you're down. Well, with SD-WAN, as we all know, we can leverage multiple access types and deliver all the way up to 100% uptime, depending on the customer's configuration. So, bringing things like broadband and wireless capabilities and Ethernet all into a single configuration ensures that incredibly high uptime and reduced downtime, which is money lost every time a customer has any downtime. And then I think reliability is kind of ties both of those together. You know, having a platform that is consistent, reliable, has incredibly high uptime, and is doing that cost effectively is really critical to our customers.
Yeah, those are amazing, amazing reasons, and certainly some of the key reasons we see folks migrating to VeloCloud for SD-WAN. Any other, you know, value that your customers are seeing by coming to Windstream specifically for VeloCloud?
Yeah, so there's a few. I think the next one that I would put in the priority is the on-ramp to SASE. You know, so having an SD-WAN platform that is reliable and configurable and widely deployed, the buzzword clearly out there today is customers are looking to integrate security with that, and that's where SASE comes into play. So having a platform that has laid the foundation for that and can evolve into a full SASE play is absolutely critical to our customers today. Second to that, I would say is you know, a great customer experience and simple to use. Since our inception of our partnership, we have built a SD-WAN interface into our WeConnect platform that gives customers co-management capabilities, visibility and reports, insights into where their applications are performing, how we can continue to drive improvements over time, and the dedicated team that sits behind that platform for our customers. You know, we have dedicated customer support managers that are reaching out to customers, advising them of improvements that can be made to their network as they evolve and go forward, helping them on ramp as they bring new applications into their environment, and really taking the heavy workload off of the customer and carrying that burden for them. And then I think last, I would say flexibility. I mean, you've got to be flexible. You know, this is not a set it and forget it type of solution. It is deploy and evolve with that customer and ensure that as their needs change, as they bring on new businesses, new applications, new employees, that we have the flexibility to respond quickly and address those changes for them in a really proactive manner.
Yeah, that's tremendous, Chris, and thanks for sharing. It's a tremendous amount of value, and I'm sure you're making that decision to come to Windstream for SD-WAN by VeloCloud an easy decision for your customers.
Absolutely.